Hi guys, it's Kind Emmanuel again with another tutorial. This time I will show you how to use your Tumblr blog account to update your page. So before I start, just want to make sure that you've got a folder which has some images ready for uploading. So we'll come back to this later on. I'll just close that. So the first thing that you need to do is go to Firefox and go to the Tumblr website. So there it is, Tumblr, tumblr.com, and look at the spelling, and then you need to log in. Now, once you click on the login button, it'll ask you to type in the login email and the password. So I'll just show you what they are for Illustre. The email is simply illustre2013@hotmail.com, and the password, listen carefully, it's Illustre13. Okay, one word, Illustre13. That's the password. Click on login. You wait a few seconds and you'll be redirected to the blog, or the actual sort of homepage for the blog. Now, this area here is called the dashboard, and you can actually post some text, photos, quotes. You can post a link or your video. So we'll come back to that. But if you just want to go straight to where you can customize the pages, see here where I'm hovering, this area here, if you click on that, that'll take you to an area which allows you not only to see the blog, you can actually visit these pages. You can just click on any page, and if I click on, let's find Steve Jobs. There you go. If you click on Steve Jobs, you can see that there's nothing there at the moment. So we're going to go and customize the page for Steve Jobs. So imagine this is you. As soon as you click on Customize, just ignore this area here on the right. You go down to the left-hand side, this big grey band, and where it says Pages, you just drop down that list just by opening up that little arrow, and you look for your page. Now, once again, I'm looking for the page for Steve Jobs. There it is, Jobs. I'm going to click on the Edit button, and I'll just make this bigger. And here we are. I can now type in something. So, hello, my name is Steve Jobs, and I am not the same person that created the Apple Mac. There you go, so a bit of text. Let's say I need to now insert an image. I'm just going to press the return key and put my cursor there, and that's the button that you click on to upload a photo. Okay, so it says upload photo, you click on that, and you just have to locate where your photos are, where your images are. And I'm just going to go to the blog image folder, and I've got some images that I've pre-prepared. And just so you know, these images have been resized to fit. So they're about 640 pixels wide, and they're 72 dots per inch in resolution. So let me click on Archangel Gabriel and open that one up. And here it comes. Just waiting. And it'll insert it where your cursor was. So I told you that's 640 wide. 640 pixels wide. Now, if I want to resize it, I can select it and see that green button there. That's where I can edit the image. Now, it's a little bit clumsy in Tumblr. If I just click on that button, I don't like this. You can type in the dimensions on either the width or the height, but not both. So if I want to make it, instead of 640 wide, I'll make it 340 wide. And insert, you can see the image has been resized. So I'll just do that again. If I go back here and I'll make it 240 wide, as long as I'm not typing in both boxes, I can resize that image. And when I'm happy with the size of the image, I can then click on Save Page. What I might do is go Command Z and just undo that, because I actually like it at 640 pixels wide. And I'll show you why. If I click on Save Page, and then I close this window here on the left, close it, I can now go down to the Jobs page, Steve Jobs, click on that, and there it is. That's the text that I typed, and there's the image that I've uploaded. So that's pretty much how you would upload an image and how you would actually update your blog page. So once again, click on Custom. That'll take you to this new window. The left-hand side has this grey panel. You just have to go down to where it says Pages. Okay, so you break that down like that, drop that down. You find the page that belongs to you. So if your name was Steve Jobs, you would click on the Edit button next to Jobs, and then you can either type in some more, you can add spaces. If you want to add another image, you can simply just put your cursor back in there and add another image. The only thing I don't like about Tumblr is that it's really hard to make this area bigger. So you just have to almost work out where your cursor is by default, and then you can upload another image. So I'll bring in the Cretan Potter now. Here it comes, just have to wait a few seconds, and there's the second image there. And Tumblr will insert it in the place where your cursor was, save image, close that again, and this time when I go to my blog page under J for Jobs, I should have two images. There you go. So that's pretty much how you do it. If I want to go back to the dashboard now, I click on Dashboard, and I can then add a post. If I click on the text, I can add a text post. So let's just say howdy folks. And then over here I can put some body copy if it lets me type it. Just a reminder to research your job roles for Illustre. Alright, and then you just publish it. There's a Create Post button there. And of course, once you publish it and you go to the Illustre blog, just wait a few seconds. I've just clicked on the Illustre blog. Come on. Here it comes. There it is. Howdy folks, just a reminder to research your job roles. And that's pretty much how you add a post or photo. Alright, I'm going to leave it at that. Thank you for watching and good luck.